Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll down, click on apps, select default apps, and click on one of those options, like Home app. Or for example, sorry misclick. Or for example, Browser app. Lastly, just click on your downloaded one in order to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!